If you're struggling to lose body fat and build muscle, chances are you're making one of these 7 common mistakes, and it's keeping you from reaching your goals. But don't worry, stick to the end of this video, and we're gonna help you out with that. Let's go.
Let the movement begin.
I'm Joshua Clowney, certified personal trainer for more than a decade, also a fitness nutrition specialist, and I have a lot of clients I've seen struggle in areas, and they make some of these common mistakes. I'm sure you're making it too. So stick around to the end of the video so you can see how you cannot make these 7 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, not getting enough sleep, which leads to higher levels of cortisol, which increase your hormones that makes you want to eat more food. It also does not aid in recovery, and it slows your metabolism down. When you get adequate sleep, you help your recovery process after a really good workout. You actually help those hormones help you in terms of speeding your metabolism up, and it helps you with cognitive functions. Mistake number 2, not eating enough protein. The goal for eating protein ideally is to get 1 gram of protein based on your ideal body weight. For example, if your goal weight is 150 pounds, the goal is to eat 150 grams of protein. When you eat protein, your body actually metabolizes that. It increases the thermodynamic effect of food, which helps you increase your metabolism as well. So it's really important for muscle building and increasing your metabolism, speeding it up when you consume adequate protein. Mistake number 3, not eating enough fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables helps with the micronutrients your body needs. It also helps you with your metabolism, helps you with blood sugar regulation, and it gives you added fiber in your diet, which is going to help you with bloating and circulation issues. Really important to get at least 2 servings of fruits and vegetables in each day. Mistake number 4, not staying hydrated. Dehydration leads to slow metabolism. It increases your appetite, causes bloating, and also not being hydrated with the combination of added sodium cause bloating and inflammation in the body. The goal at minimum to get at least 8 cups of water a day. That's 64 ounces minimum per day. Mistake number 5, not training specific enough. Ideally, if you're trying to build muscle and decrease body fat, it's really important for resistance training. Minimum twice a week. A total body workout, a push, a pull, and a leg exercise. And specifically train in what we call progressive overload. So essentially all that means is you have an intensity. Let's say you're doing a bench press with dumbbells and you start off with 45-pound dumbbells and you do 3 sets of 12 for that week. Next week, see if you can get the same amount of reps, maybe go up to 50 pounds or 55. And in doing so in different exercises, you'll see that you progress overload your workout, which increases muscle building in your body. Mistake number 6, you're not moving enough. Ideally, try to get at least 10,000 steps per day. That's included even while you're working. If you do a job where you're on your feet and using your hands and moving around, you're already getting steps like that. But you want to try to get a minimum of 10,000 steps per day. If you can't get 10,000 steps per day within that parameter, try to get at least a minimum 30 minutes of exercise each day, which will help you improve your metabolism and increase your physical activity. Before I give you mistake number 7, if you find value in this video, please like and subscribe, because this actually helps with us with our visibility, and it helps the algorithm for people to see the same thing you get to see right now. So y'all been waiting on it. Mistake number 7 is no accountability and no system. Honestly, this is one of the most important mistakes that we make in this journey. So we try to do it by ourselves. It takes a tribe, it takes a community for us to hit these goals, for us to get the body composition we want, for us to build the physique we want, the accountability, the support. And I actually have accountability system already in place. And if you're interested at all you need to do is click the link in the description and join our email list. It's a free habit tracker and accountability system that I put together to help you reach your goals. Really looking forward to getting connected with you. So hey, thank you all so much for the time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, appreciate the time. We want to see you hit your goals in 2025.